Consider square of an integer. Square integer. Examples are 9, 25, 36, and so on. Question is, what happens if we divide this by 4? And what happens if we divide this by 8? If we divide a square integer by 4, if the integer is even, so for example 36, then it's directly divisible by 4. So this is the first possibility, that a square quantity is of the form 4k, which means it's divisible by 4. This is a problem of division algorithm. Check the link in the description for the detailed notes and other videos on this. The second possibility is the first possibility. The second possibility is that of the odd integers. So if you look at the odd integers, for example 25, then if you divide 25 by 8, then the remainder is 1. So we want to say that the second possibility would be that it is of the form 8k plus 1. So this is the problem that we want to solve. That any square number, let me write the statement, any square number is either of the form 4k or it is of the form 8k plus 1. And we want to show that only these two things can happen, nothing else can happen. So how do we show it? Well, we start with something absolutely simple. We start with whatever we have learned from the division algorithm lesson. If you have not seen the lesson, you can check the link in the description. We can write all the numbers into these 4 forms. On the basis of 4, any number, any whole number can be written as a form of 4k or 4k plus 1 or 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3. Because if you divide a number by 4, the remainder is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So these are the 4 types of numbers that we have, and they account for everything. So we'll analyze these 4 types. So square 4k, you get 16k square. Squaring 4k plus 1, you get 16k square plus 8k plus 1. And then if you square 4k plus 2, then you'll get 16k square plus 16k plus 4. And finally, if you square 4k plus 3, you'll get 16k square plus 24k plus 9. You should be able to solve this problem right now. You should be able to show that any square number is either 4k or 8k plus 1 from this deduction. If you try to solve it, try to finish it up. If you are unable to do it, link in the description will take you to the next hint. All the best.